Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Jenkins in macOS. Just open terminal, add this command, brew install Jenkins -LTS. Click on enter. It will download Jenkins LTS. Once you have done this, just add this command, brew services start Jenkins LTS. Click on enter. It will start Jenkins. Localhost 8080, it will open Jenkins for you. So once it is started, you can add this command, brew services stop Jenkins. It will stop Jenkins. Click on enter. Okay. Now if you reload this, it will not work. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.